Good morning, students. Students, we have done first question of exercise 10.5. Now let's move to question number second. Construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is 6 centimeter and one of the legs is 4 centimeter long. Okay. So what is right angle triangle? Yes, right angle triangle means which makes 90-degree angle. So that angle we call it as right angle triangle. Now hypotenuse. So in any right angle triangle, the side opposite to this angle is known as hypotenuse. Okay. The side opposite to this angle is known as hypotenuse. The line on which the 90 degree is made is known as base, and which makes the 90 degree angle is known as perpendicular. Okay. So in this way there are three things in any right angle triangle. Example of right angle triangle, you can see that if I have given the example like this, tree. If the tree is there, if it gets broken, so it makes 90-degree angle like this. Some mountains are like right angle triangle in shape. Okay. So there are various examples you can see in your daily life. Okay. So the side opposite to right angle is known as hypotenuse. The side on which angle is made is known as base, and the line which makes the 90-degree angle is known as perpendicular. Okay. Now in question number second, we have to construct a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse is given to us and one of the legs is given. So one of the leg is 4 centimeter. So first step will be, first we will make the line segment of 4 centimeter by using ruler. Okay. Suppose this is AB. So first step is make line segment AB of length 4 centimeter. You can write 4 centimeter. Now what will be the next step? What will be the next step? We have to draw the right angle. So how we can draw the right angle? See here. Suppose we want to make the right angle on A. So it will be take radius of your take any radius and draw an arc like this. Take any radius and by using compass draw a line like this, draw an arc like this. Okay. Now by this radius only cut an arc here, and by this point again cut an arc here. By using these two arcs, cut two arcs here and draw the line segment. So give the name as AX. Okay. So what I have done to make the right angle triangle? First we took the radius we took any radius. Suppose 3 centimeter of radius, suppose, or 2 centimeter. It is up to you. So cut and draw an arc like this. By suppose this is point Q. Now from point Q draw an arc here of the same radius which I have taken before. Suppose 2 centimeter. Now again take that 2 centimeter only and cut an arc here. Now from both these two arcs cut these two arcs and join the line. So this angle will be 90 degree. So second step will be make 90 degree angle at point A and draw AX. This suppose this ray will be, suppose draw ray AX. This will be ray AX. Understood? Now after that they are saying that hypotenuse is given 6 centimeter. So hypotenuse will be take open your compass of 6 centimeter of length, and from this point cut an arc here, and if you will join, so this will be 6 centimeter and this will be your hypotenuse. I already explained you that angle, a side opposite to angle is hypotenuse, so you have to make this line segment. So to make this line segment, take a radius of 6 centimeter, and from point B cut an arc into this point AX and join and name this point as C. So you will get the triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC. So write the steps by yourself. First was make line segment, second was make 90-degree angle, third you take radius of 6 centimeter and cut an arc at AX. Now in fourth step you can write join C with A, so you will get the with B, C with B, so you will get the required right angle triangle ABC. So in this way you can write the steps by yourself. Okay, I roughly wrote the steps, you write the step sequentially in a sequence. Okay, now question number 3 is construct an isosceles triangle. Again angle is 90-degree angle and AC is 6 centimeter. So here first of all we will make the line segment AC of length 6 centimeter. Write each and every step whatever you do to draw this diagram. Okay, AC is of 6 centimeter of length. Now in point C, ACB means in middle, you can in the center C is there, so in C you have to make the right angle triangle like this. Follow the above steps which I have done before, like draw an arc, take the same radius, draw these 2 arcs, and by using these 2 arcs draw another 2 arcs. Okay, now this will be C, suppose this is X here. Okay, now AC is of 6 centimeter which we have already drawn. Now this is what? Isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? Whose 2 sides are equal. So if this is 6 centimeter, so either this will be 6 centimeter or this will be 6 centimeter. So suppose I open the compass from here to here, means took the radius of 6 centimeter and cut an arc here. Now if we join this, so this will be 6 centimeter, this will be 6 centimeter. So it will become isosceles triangle ABC. Right angled isosceles triangle. Right angled isosceles triangle. So in this way we have made this isosceles triangle. First of all, AC is of 6 centimeter length. We made 90-degree angle on C. After that, take the radius of 6 centimeter and draw an arc here. You can draw the arc from A also, or you can, if you want to draw the arc from C also, you can draw. Okay, and join these 2 points, so it will be point B. Now joining A and B, we get the required right angled isosceles triangle ABC. In this way you can solve and you can write the steps. Okay, steps of constructions. Okay, understood? Thank you.